to physics class. Now, in this class, we discuss about the topic of electrostatic force. What is the electrostatic force? The force exerted by charged body on another charged body is known as the electrostatic force. Okay, students, what is the definition? Define the electrostatic force. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged body. Charged body is known as electrostatic force. Okay, students. Once again, what is the definition of electrostatic force? Electrostatic force is defined as the force exerted by a charged body. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged body. Another charged body is known as electrostatic force. Okay, students, now we explain the electrostatic force. With the help of we conduct a small activity. In this activity, we take balloon. We take balloons. Now the air is blown in it through the help of our mouth or any pumping machine. Okay, friends, the air is blown into the balloon. What happens? Its volume is the increases. That is bulged out this balloon. This is a inflated balloon. Now, the open end of this balloon is tightened with thread. Okay, friends. Okay, students. This is the inflated balloon. Next, untake a paper. This paper is cut into a small pieces with the help of scissor. Okay, students. Now we collected these paper pieces. They are put on a place on the table. Okay, students. Are you notice clearly? These are the bits of papers. They are placed on the table. Now, we take a papers. With the help of paper, now rub the surface of the balloon. Okay, students. Now, after rubbing, this balloon is brings near towards that the power pieces. We notice that these power pieces are attracted towards the balloon. Okay, students. What is the reason? Okay, students. These paper pieces they are attracted towards this balloon. What is the reason? What is that reason? Why does this balloon attract these bits of paper? What is the reason? Because when does this surface of balloon is rubbed with paper, resultant the charge is acquired on its surface of the balloon. So that's why the charge is acquired on the surface of the balloons. Thus, bodies are said to be charged bodies. అంటే that is the bodies which are acquire the charge on their surface. Such bodies are called charged bodies. Now, this is a charged body. This charged body is brings near to that this bits of paper. What happened? That the opposite charge is acquired on the bits of paper. So resultant both are opposite charges. They are attracted. That's why these paper pieces they are attracted towards the charged body of the balloon. Here the charged body is exert the force on the bits of paper. That's why these paper pieces they are attracted towards the balloon. So this force is called electrostatic force. Okay, students. The force exerted by a charged body on another charged body is known as a electrostatic force. Here, the force which comes into the play, even the both bodies they are not contact to each other. So that's why the electrostatic force is an example of field force. The electrostatic force is an example of field force. Field force or force at a distance. Force at a distance. Force at a distance. Why? Because here there is no contact between the charged balloon and the pieces of the papers. But the tiny papers are attracted towards it. This is called electrostatic force. Okay, okay, friends. This is that electrostatic force. Tomorrow we'll continue next.